Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to disable ChatGPT's memory feature. So all it really takes is a few clicks and a few simple steps, and the first step is we're going to sign in to our ChatGPT account and go to the settings menu. We can find the settings menu by clicking on the account icon at the bottom left hand side of our screen and then clicking on settings. So here we're going to see a few options. We're going to want to navigate over to the personalization tab, and underneath here, scroll down all the way until you see the memory section. So as you can see here, reference saved memories. You can turn this off if you don't want ChatGPT to save and use memories when responding. You can also turn off the reference chat history if that's something you're conscious about, and it's really convenient and it's just a good thing to take note of. So that's pretty much it for this video. As I've said, it's really quick and really easy and really only takes a few simple clicks. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.